Welcome again. Now we'll see how to read images, how to display them, and how to save them. So first, all of the material of this course, including the codes, images, all the data will be available in the link below, so check it to have access to the code and the data used in this course. First, we need to create a new file. I will call it, for example, one is reading images. That's part. So first we need to import OpenCV, so import CV2, and then I have put here this image, so it is like that. It is an image here called starrynight.jpg. So I need to read this image with OpenCV images cv2.imRead, and we'll give it path here, so starrynight.jpg, and so on. Now we need to display this image. So to display it is easy, cv2.imShow, and it takes two parameters. First one is the name of the window that will be shown, so I will call it the display window. You can call it whatever name you want, and give it this image here. If we run this code, it will shown, but it will be shown, we can't see it because it will be shown fast and go. So for example, if I run this code here with Python, and it's one reading images.py, so it is shown, but it's go without being able to see it. To be able to make it stay till we see it and display it on the screen, we need to say cv2.wait case. It will wait. For example, if we give it some times, for example, delay, like how many milliseconds we want it to stay on the screen, we can give it, but if we give it 0, it will stay till we press any key in the keyboard. So I will save this and run it. So now it is displayed here, the name of the window as we write it here, and the image is displayed like that. We can press any key to stop the script from running, and also to the image to disappear. To save the image, you can say cv2.imWrite and give it a path. For example, I will save it in the same path here, like starry image. It is here JPEG, but I will, for example, save it as PNG, other format, and give it the image itself. So now this image will be saved, and if we run the code, it will be saved here. So this is displayed here, but the image we have just created is this one with PNG. If I give it another name, like for example starry image, save it, for example, it will be so. We need to press any key to stop the code from running, and image will be shown here, and it is like this, starrynight saved. If we give it the same name another time, it will just write it, so it will remove the first one and save the new one. So this is how to interact with images in OpenCV. In the next lecture, I will show you what are the images and how they are stored, and how OpenCV interact with them.